Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Lavender color, mint blue color, cool gray color, yellow color, emerald green color, black color, vivid purple color, deep olive green color, raw silk color, light violet color, geranium color, Persian blue color. First we using the color of Persian blue. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, geranium color, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, lavender color, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching.